In the last few months, this Faceless YouTube channel has gained over 100,000 subscribers just by turning funny Instagram comments into AI-generated songs, and some of their videos are pulling hundreds of thousands of views in days. The craziest part? They do it completely for free, and you can too. They literally turn viral Instagram comments into AI-generated songs, and by posting only this kind of video, some of their uploads get hundreds of thousands of views in days. And here's the wild part, you can make one right now for free. I'll walk you through the exact process step by step, from finding the meme, grabbing the comments, turning them into a song with AI, and syncing everything together. No fancy gear, no paid tools, just creativity. First, open up Instagram or TikTok and look for viral memes or funny reels. You're looking for something relatable, kind of post with crazy engagement and tons of comments. Save or screen record that meme clip you want to turn into your AI song. Next, scroll to the comments section. You can screenshot them manually or use Comment Picker or Instaloader to export them. Pick the funniest and most engaging comments, the ones that read like lyrics. Choose 5 to 10 good ones that really match the tone of the meme. Now take those comments to an AI music generator like Udio, Suno AI, or flexclip. Now come over to flexclip and paste your selected comments into the lyric box. Choose a fun vibe like pop, rap, or a meme anthem and hit generate. Within seconds, you'll have a full AI song built entirely from real Instagram comments. If you're not satisfied, just regenerate until it fits the meme's energy. Next, prepare the meme visual. Trim your meme clip to just the funny punchline, around 5 to 10 seconds. Then freeze the frame right after the key moment. That shot will serve as your background when the AI song starts playing. This setup gives your video that perfect pause then music transition that viewers love. Now let's put everything together. Open CapCut and import your meme video along with the AI song you just generated. Add your comment screenshots, syncing each one with the lyric timing. Use small pop or fade-in animations to make them appear as the lyrics play. Add usernames for authenticity, and balance your audio. Keep the song around plus 2.5 decibels and any background effects around minus 17. Here's the secret most of these channels use consistently. Keep your layout the same in every video. Same fonts, same color scheme, and maybe a tiny watermark of your logo. That's how your audience recognizes your videos instantly. Once you're done, export your video in full HD at 60 frames per second and upload it as a YouTube short or reel. Use a catchy title like Instagram comments turned into a song and add hashtags such as AI Shorts, Viral AI, AI Music, and Meme Song. Mention your tools in the description. It helps with both SEO and affiliate potential. With consistent uploads, it's not hard to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Then you can monetize through AdSense, affiliate links for the AI tools you used, or even take paid meme song requests from your audience. People love this kind of creativity. If this tutorial helped you out, tap that subscribe button. See you in the next one.